Have you ever wondered why they ask for affidavits of loss? Are you curious about the significance legally of why they ask for it? Stay tuned because we're about to uncover the importance of affidavits of loss and how they can help you.
Welcome to Legal Guide Philippines, where we simplify the law to help you
You.
make better choices. I'm Attorney Ramon Ramirez, and I'm with my partner.
Attorney Erwin Sagala. So today, we're talking about why an affidavit of loss is required. Hinihingi ito, Attorney Ramon, kapag may nawawala ka, di ba? And
Usually.
minsan nakakainis na parang, ito na ako, nagsasabi ako na nawala ko siya in good faith, pero hinihingian pa rin di ba?
Tama.
And for some people, it can be very, very annoying na parang, ba't parang pinapahirap niyo pa yung proseso?
Oo, kailangan ko pang pumunta ng opisina ng lawyer para magpagawa ng
Ipapanotaryo pa yan,
Oo,
di ba?
Exactly.
So, I think the first step is let's talk about what exactly is an affidavit of loss. So, ang primary purpose ng affidavit na to is to provide official documentation of the loss of a certain valuable item or document. So, Attorney Ramon, this affidavit can actually be applicable to a number of things. Pero usually, ano yung pinagagamitan nito?
ID.
So, pag nawalan ka ng wallet, usually, ang kasunod niyan, magda-draft ka na talaga ng affidavit of loss. Oo. Pero it can also apply to other stuff. For instance, company assets.
Yep.
Sorry, nawala yung cellphone, nawala yung laptop, kailangan mong asikasuhin. So, para mapalitan siya, you have to submit an affidavit of loss.
Correct.
Di ba? Ayan. So essentially, what's happening here is nire-record mo lang yung fact na may nawala, which can be used for various purposes. So, iba-iba yung purposes niya. Ngayon, you might be thinking, ito nga may nawala, di ba? Pero bakit kailangan pang hingiin? For me, it's a safety mechanism basically for the person na pinagbibigyan. So, for example, Attorney Ramon, ikaw, company tayo, HR ako ng company, inisyuhan kita ng company ID.
Okay.
Tapos, inawala mo. Okay. Ngayon, ano gagawin mo dahil nawala yun?
Hingi ang bago.
Oo. So, hihingiin ko ngayon, saglit, may affidavit of loss ka ba? Bakit ko kailangan yun? Kasi I want to be able to say na bakit ko binigay yung bagong ID. That gives me the legal ground to provide the new ID. Why? There are liability issues na posibleng hindi po ninyo nakikita.
Oh, ano yun?
Yung ID mo, paano pag ginamit for other unauthorized purposes? Kunwari, nangolekta. Kunwari, binigay mo sa kaibigan mo, tapos nangolekta siya on behalf of the company, hindi naman siya authorized. Tapos, kapag nalaman, itong ID nito pala yung ginagamit matitrace. Sino nag-issue? Nung bago.
Yung company.
Yung HR,
HR,
di ba? Kunwari yung HR. So si HR needs to protect him or herself. That's why they ask for the document. That way, kapag nagkaturuan, saglit, sinabi niya talagang nawala. That's why I issued. So,
A new one.
itong nag-issue, labas na sa liability. Ikaw na ngayon ang sasagot dun sa responsibility for that. So, it's more about protection. And that is why, especially for government agencies, yung submission of affidavit of loss becomes a legal requirement. Kasi, syempre, of course, nagpe-play safe yung issuing authority.
Tama.
And tama naman yun, di ba? Usually, makikita mo yan sa government agencies, financial institutions, kunwari, nawalan ka ng ATM. Di ba? Usually, may yan.
ATM, driver's license,
Oo.
lahat.
Or-
Lalo na yung, like you said, financial institutions, like mga credit cards mo, ATM, nawala yung wallet mo, naku, sandamakmak na affidavit of loss yan.
Oo. Actually, it's also protection for the one issuing. So, it's protection dun sa nag-i-issue and protection din for the one who issued the affidavit.
Yeah.
Bakit? Kasi pwede mo ngayon sabihin, kung ginamit sa masama yung wala mong gamit, pwede mo sabihin, hindi na akin yan, ito nawala.
Meron akong affidavit.
Yun. Okay, so that's it, Attorney Ramon.
Yan. So guys, in summary, an affidavit of loss, it plays a crucial role in documenting and verifying the loss of valuable items or documents so that you prevent fraud and misuse and you also fulfill legal requirements and procedures. Now, by understanding why an affidavit of loss is required and how it can help you in various situations, you can navigate loss-related issues with confidence and peace of mind.
And speaking of peace of mind, if you want more peace of mind pagdating po sa documents, please feel free to take a look at our book, Notary Not Included. In fact, the Affidavit of Loss is included here. This book will teach you how to draft your own Affidavit of Loss. Click the link in the description to find out where to get it. So, wasn't that simple?
Now go make better choices.